Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called Preferences and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called Language or System Language. Oh no, it's called Watch Language, my bad. So find the option called Watch Language and tap on it. And here we have the list of languages we can select from. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Tap on it to select it, and once you select it, it will be applied on your watch, as you can see. Okay, so that's how you change the language on the watch. You can also change the language through the phone application. So, if your watch is paired with an app or with a phone via the app, you can use the app to change the language. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here, wake up the screen, unlock it, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Something like this. Okay, move this to the side, move this to the side, like that. Open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on the profile icon, select our Amazfit GTR 4 from the list, and here we can scroll down, find the option called Watch Settings, tap on it, then find the option called System Language. Select it, scroll through the list of languages, find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it, then tap on OK to confirm. Once it saves the settings, you can wake up the screen on your watch and the language should be applied, as you can see. Okay. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.